Hey there, it's Cameron at WeStock. Excited to walk you through how to read your rebate summary. So once you get your rebate page set up, which we've walked through, you're going to go to your rebate page and then you're going to click on rebate summary, and you're going to have all of your historical rebates laid out there. This was a free item campaign that was ran for a pretty short period of time. We were running the ad spend here, but again, this data is available if you set up your metapixel correctly, and you're able to see your ad spend here as well. But you'll see total opt-ins, which is how many customers have filled out that opt-in form or opted into the rebate campaign, and how many people have submitted. Again, you own the data for both the customers who opted in and submitted their receipt. That's one of the biggest benefits using WeStock. Conversion rate. Conversion rate for a free item, anything over 25% is good. For a BOGO, I'd say anything over 15% is good. Total paid out is how much we've reimbursed. So really, how much sales we've driven at the store level. Total ad spend is how much ad spend we put against this. And so when we're running the ads, we're looking for, on a free item, under $1 customer acquisition cost and under 50 cents CPL. We obviously hit those marks here. I would say, like, internally, if you're seeing high numbers here, this is something that's going to flag, hey, maybe I should adjust my ads, adjust the offer. And then your all-in CAC is going to be whatever your ad spend is plus whatever the offer is. You're going to go down here, and I'm not going to create a report because I just want to keep the brand's identity private for now. But you can easily click on any of these links and it'll create a buyer ready report, which basically summarizes the campaign, and you can pass that along to the retail buyer. You want to keep your buyers in the loop on what you're running, so it's critical to create those reports and get them over to them. You can see the meta performance. So what's the ad spend? What's the conversion funnel from impressions all the way down to reimburse? You can track those links to see kind of the daily clicks. And then you can see how many opt-ins you got, how many receipts were submitted on a daily basis. What was the rebate amount? What was the total basket size here? And then what the top products were, the top stores. Again, this was a retailer agnostic campaign, so you can set up agnostic campaigns or retailer specific campaigns. And then from here, you can go and you can view the landing page. You can view all the unique submissions. That's where your post-purchase surveys are going to be. That's where your receipts are going to be. You can download those contacts or you can export them to Klaviyo. But that's how you're going to look. And all this data populates live. So you can check it out on a daily, hourly, minute by minute basis. But it's going to populate in here as soon as your rebate campaign is live. All right, thanks so much.